When should I immediately shut off my air conditioner? You should shut it off right away if you smell burning, see smoke, hear loud grinding or electrical buzzing, notice water near electrical parts, or see a damaged power cord. These warning signs can mean the air conditioner has an electrical, mechanical, or water-related problem that could cause a fire or serious damage. If you smell burning plastic or hot wires, turn the system off at the thermostat and switch off its circuit breaker if you can do so safely. Smoke, sparks, or a hot electrical panel are emergencies, so leave the building and call emergency services. Loud grinding, screeching, or repeated hard starting can mean a motor or fan is failing, and continuing to run it may turn a smaller repair into a major one. Shut it down if the indoor unit is leaking heavily, especially near outlets, wiring, or the furnace controls. Ice covering the indoor coil or refrigerant lines is another reason to stop the system, because blocked airflow, a dirty filter, or low refrigerant lines is another reason to stop the system, because blocked airflow, a dirty filter, or low refrigerant may be involved. Replace a severely dirty filter only after shutting the system off, but do not chip away ice or add refrigerant yourself. A lesser-known warning is water dripping from the ceiling around a central air unit, which can spread through insulation before you notice the damage, so turn the system off and arrange an inspection. A common mistake is resetting the breaker again and again after it trips, but repeated trips can signal a dangerous electrical fault, so leave it off and call a qualified technician. Some people keep running an iced-over system because it still blows cold air, yet the ice can block airflow and strain the compressor, so shut it down and let it thaw naturally. Do not assume every strange noise is harmless. Record a short video from a safe distance and describe when the noise happens, which helps the technician find the problem faster. If water is close to electrical equipment, avoid touching the equipment or standing in pooled water, and get professional help. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.